That's good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day look. It literally took me 5 minutes to do. It looks very dramatic, but it also is like borderline neutral enough, obviously depending on how much makeup you wear. If you want, you guys can take it down a notch, you know, lose the lashes or just use a lighter lash or anything like that. Or, you know, even with the glitter, if you don't want it to be as glittery, you guys can use a sheen. So if you guys find it difficult to do makeup or just eyeshadow in general, I hope this tutorial helps you guys out, and keep on watching to get this look. So I'm going to do a lot of pinks on the eyes. It's going to be very neutral. It's not going to be bright pink, but it's just going to be a nice flush of like a blush. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in with a blush. It's called Party by Tarte. So I'm going to dip into that. I'm going to get it nicely coated. It's a neutral pink, so it's not too peachy, not too big. It's like perfect. So I'm just gonna go in right in that crease. Now you don't want this color to be way too like prominent. It's just gonna be a nice transition blend. And I swear to God, if you've never even picked up a makeup brush, you'll be able to do this. My lids are already primed and set. I used my concealer, so it's Tarte Shape Tape all over, and then I set it with translucent powder. Just want to blend that up. Alright, and now from my Sephora palette, I'm going to get a bright pink and a little bit of a darker red. And I'm just gonna pop that right in there and kind of go a little bit lower from where I just put that blush. As you can see, there's a little bit more pinkiness, but not too bright. It's gonna be a very beautiful florally pink for the spring also. So now I'm gonna be a little dramatic and I'm gonna be adding glitter onto the lid. If you guys don't want to do that, you don't have to. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, I did not get a haircut. My hair looks like pure shit. So I'm just going to look cute in a hat, so deal with it. Alright, now I'm going to go into a deeper pinky red color, and I'm just gonna put that right on the outside, just a little bit, just to define it. You don't want too much definition with this look. You just want it to be very nice and pretty. Then I'm going to take a large, I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush. I'm just gonna, there's nothing on this brush, it's just to help with the edges. So I know a lot of you guys have so much trouble with eyeshadow, and the one thing I can tell you is that if you place the color and then blend after that with a lighter color of like the same family, you guys will be golden. It's really not that hard. Like right now, this look by itself is just a pretty little pink smoky eye, like a very light pink smoky eye. Alright, and now from my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take a stiff brush and I'm going to take the top very champagne-y pink color. There's 3 of them. I'm gonna do Faint, Sissy, and Little Lady. Sounds pretty dirty. I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on the lid to get it started. Now, a lot of people can cut the crease and all that, but we're trying to do a quick 5-minute little look, and we don't have time for that. We want to look cute and sexy for our man or our women, whatever you dabble in. pretty. So I'm gonna put that on the lid. Just all over. See, it's this nice little shimmer. And I feel like a lot of guys, when you go on there on a date, they don't want a full face of makeup. I'm still gonna wear a full face of makeup, but because I don't give a shit. But this is a nice happy medium. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's a nice little sheen over there. And now I want to kick it up a notch. And one of my favorite things like on the market is the Stila Magnificent Metals. This stuff can like literally make you look like you are a pro makeup artist of like 20 years and you know what the fuck you're doing. So you literally take this. Now this is like, it doesn't have a base color to it, so it's clear in a way, but it has so many different sparkles. So what I'm gonna do is put that in the middle just to give it a nice little pop. So I'm gonna start off in the middle. You guys see this, it literally takes like 5 seconds. And anyone can do this. There's nothing like down here, nothing fell off. That's the best thing about these things. It's like glitter without the annoying stuff. Put that here. Like, I literally have it looked down. Literally, like, done. Just gonna let this dry really quick. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little pink on top of that just so it's a little more on the pinky side. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Like, alright, so now that that's all set, let's work on the bottom. I'm going to take the two same colors that I used first. I'm going in with that Tarte blush, and I'm going to smoke that out down on the bottom of my lashes. As you guys know, I love a good blown out bottom, so blown out bottom. Let's be appropriate. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of this on the bottom, really smoke it out. I know I usually put a white base to make everything pop, but I don't want these colors to be very pop. I just want it to blend into this beautiful, light, airy look. So, do that. I'm going to go into a little bit of the pinks. Put that in. Like, I'm literally going through this because it's so easy. A little bit more into that inner corner. Alright. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go with that darker red. It's like a reddish pink. And I'm just going to go right close to that lash line, just to define it a little bit. Right there. Going again. Dabble. And you want to go back in with that brush with the pink. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright. Now, I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. So I'm going to put on a pair of lashes. I really want something whimsical, pretty, light, but dramatic at the same time because you don't want to be basic as hell. So I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back to show you guys the look. So now we're back. I put on the lashes. I know I said I was going to go a little natural, but I really like these lashes. They're dramatic, but you can also see the sparkle like through them, which I really like. You guys can obviously do a wispy or something very like natural, or just wear mascara, because I know some people out there have beautiful lashes. On top of this, you guys can also use a pink toned highlighter or something, you know, for your cheekbones, so it all comes together. And yeah, so this is literally the 5-minute look. We literally did this in less than 5 minutes. You guys, all you need is like 2 colors, the glitter from Stila, and a nice pair of lashes, and you literally have a whole look. So don't be too stressed out if you guys don't think you know how to do makeup or anything. And honestly, even if you if this is too hard for you, just take any random like pink color, blow it out, and then throw this on top. This stuff will save you. The Stila Magnificent Metals are like a lifesaver. There's literally like a paddle like on it, so you guys can literally just plop it right on. You know, you could just like lead and go exactly where you want it to be. And yeah, it's honestly amazing. They have like golds, champagnes, greens, purple, anything you want, they have it. So definitely check them out. And yeah, I mean, I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Here in New York, it's already like the middle of February and we haven't even gotten like really bad weather, thankfully, so knock on wood. But yeah, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I just want to ask you guys for one thing. Please just leave a comment down below of what you guys want to see. I really need some more ideas and like what you guys actually want to see, you know? If you're watching this through Instagram, Facebook, or anything, you know, if there's something that you guys want to learn or know or anything like that, just let me know down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I love you guys,